Good morning and welcome to my PowerPoint slash video presentation on robot technologies. But before I continue into the text, let me give you a quick overview of how these robot technologies work here in the US, in Germany, uh, for students who are learning in elementary school and in a university, for example. So this video, uh,
Elementary school classroom in the suburbs of Buffalo, New York, is a robot. Instead of raising his hand, a special light lets the teacher know he has a question or an answer.
Spring to come.
We don't hope for spring to come?
Yay!
Yeah. Let's see if Puxatawny Phil was right.
The robot switches classrooms along with the kids, using wheels instead of legs, though he needs a little help when it comes to the steps. Controlling this robot through a wireless network from his home several miles away is 7-year-old Devin Caro.
That's kind of like a video game that I play.
Now, because of an illness, life-threatening allergy, he is unable to attend school physically, so a telepresence robot helps him to do that. And then the other robot is...
The professor uses an interactive teaching approach, which is made possible by Yuki. It's Thursday, just after 7 a.m. at Marburg University. Thursdays always...
Zeit zu arbeiten. Ich hoffe doch, meine Studenten haben sich auf den heutigen Kurs vorbereitet. Gleich
So that's Yuki, the teaching robot in Germany. And then we have a telepresence robot from a school teacher here in the US.
Hello, everyone. I'm a speech teacher. I help people communicate. Today I'm going to use a cookie to talk about syllables. Syllables help us break words up and put them together. My name has 2 syllables. Marty. Does anyone else have...
Okay, so I'll quickly move on to the text because of time. So just wanted to give you a backstory for the robot technologies. Now, as you would have understood from the video so far, classroom or educational robots such as VGo or Virtual Go facilitates the telepresence of students who are unable to attend classes, for example, because of recovering from an illness. And teaching robots are either pre-programmed, as in the one in Germany, or they can be remotely maneuvered by a teacher here in the US to go to different classes to teach content and concepts. And why are robots useful to my social interest? Robots are useful to my social interest because they facilitate social interaction spanning geographic boundaries. And I'm going to move on quickly before time runs out. Integrated technology working to solve problems or explore possibilities. From the author Ayu Mada and Newart and Olson, I understand that telepresence robots have recently been introduced as a way for children who are homebound due to medical conditions to attend school. And from all of this, I infer that telepresence robots, whether representing the virtual presence of a student or teacher, does facilitate both virtual and social inclusion and interaction. Telepresence robots solves the problem of access. In other words, it provides a solution to bridging the gap when someone is physically unable to be in the same space as their peers for learning or teaching. And well, that's my reference page. And please feel free to check out these videos. And thank you for watching my presentation. And I'm all for telepresence robots.